How I'd make my first $100 with AI, the realistic version, not the screenshot fantasy. No passive income on day one, just a path that actually works. Step 3 is where most people quit, right before it pays. Step 1, pick one thing people already pay for. Short video edits, cleaned up resumes, product descriptions. Boring beats clever here. The honest part? AI does the work faster. It doesn't find the customer for you. Step 2, let the tools carry the load. Claude drafts, CapCut edits, ideogram designs. You go from an hour of work to 15 minutes. The honest part? You still check every output. Your name is on it. Step 3, the part people quit at. Post the work or list a small service on a marketplace and ask 10 real people. Rejection is the job. The honest part? The first yes is slow. The 10th is fast. Step 4, deliver one job well, get one review, then charge a little more. $100 is 4 $25 jobs, not one miracle. The honest part? This compounds only if you keep showing up. AI is a lever, not a lottery. It makes your first 100 faster. It doesn't make it free. Every tool is on the page below. Subscribe for the honest version, one tool a day.